Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Viltrox Speed Booster for Micro Four Thirds to Canon EF mount. So here's the box. It looks pretty nice. Everything's in Chinese, but it's a pretty nice box. Looked like pretty nice packaging to me for, the price of the product. It's all in Chinese, everything, because it's a Chinese company, Viltrox. I was really excited about this product because it's a lot cheaper than the Metabones Speed Booster, and it essentially does the same thing, only for like 1/6 of the price almost. So I got mine for $120, and then I paid $13 in shipping so that I get here faster. So yeah, opening it up, and I'll put a link down below for where I got mine for $120. So I'm opening it up now, and after peeling a few stickers, there's the some of the things in the manual, stuff like that. I don't usually look at that. So I'll just set that off to the side. It's got this little certification thing or something like that, certified thing, I don't know what that's for really, but we'll set that off to the side. And now we're going to open up the actual adapter. Pull out of this little baggie here. So here is the Viltrox adapter. Pretty nice quality, honestly. Everything's like metallic-y and nice, and it's not really word metallic-y, but get the point. The glass looks nice and clean and no cracks or anything. It looks really clean, actually. It looks surprisingly high quality, especially for the price. I'm actually super surprised how nice this thing is for the price. I've never seen the Metabones one before, but this definitely looks really high quality. It's got this little clicky thing here. It's actually for the aperture, to control the aperture through the adapter. It's got that little lens release right there. Sorry for the focus. I'm using my G9 to film this. Little micro USB thing is a little tough, but I got it. There it is. So you can plug that in to update the firmware and things like that. But I really just got this for my Lumix G9, which is the camera that you're watching it through right now. Everything feels pretty sturdy on that adapter, by the way. And it's pretty nice quality for the price, honestly. But I got this so that I could use it on my Lumix G9, and I'm filming with the Lumix G9 right now. So let me go get another camera. I have a Lumix GF3. It's an older camera, but I like to use it for fun. All right, got it out. Let me just take off this lens really quick. Now I'm going to put on the adapter. Just pops on really nicely, surprisingly. I've heard some bad reviews about it not fitting onto the people's cameras and it falling apart or whatever, but this one actually felt pretty snug and pretty solid, so I'm really surprised. Let's try on my camera, see if it does anything. I don't know. I've never had a speed booster. It's kind of cool. Let me get my Sigma 18-35. So yeah, this is my Sigma 18-35 1.8. I love this lens, and I've really been wanting to use this on a Lumix lens for a long time. And I can finally get a speed booster that I can afford and put it on a Lumix camera. And wow, that autofocus was actually really fast. Surprisingly, everything was really smooth, and it felt like not that different to my 20mm f1.7. The focus, it does hunt, but so does my 20mm f1.7. So the aperture was set to 1.6 out of the box. So I'm just taking a couple of test pictures to see the autofocus. It's pretty good. I was actually surprised by this and how well it was performing. So let me change it to, yeah, there we go. See, you can change it to f1.2, which is really huge for, well, I've never used anything like that on Lumix. That's pretty impressive in my opinion. It's 1.2 aperture. This will let in a ton of light, and essentially this Viltrox adapter will change the crop factor into a 1.42 crop rather than a 2 times crop. So it's really a huge opening. Sony cameras are 1.5 times, so I'm essentially getting more light than my Sony a6300 that I have. I'm really excited to try this on my Lumix G9 and see how it does and everything. So I just can't wait to see. Here I am testing the solidness of the adapter, seeing if it's together. It does wiggle a little bit, but it doesn't, it's not separated from the adapter or the camera in any way. It's really snug on there, but I can twist the lens just a teeny bit, so I don't really know what people meant. Maybe it has quality control issues, Viltrox, but other than that, this gets a thumbs up and it's really awesome. The quality is really good, and I'm honestly so surprised that this thing turned out so well. I got it on tomtop.com, so I'll leave a link down below. Yeah, you guys can go ahead and check it out and see if you like it. I hope you do. It's really awesome so far, and I'm actually using it right now, but this is just for the video purposes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This thing is really awesome and the quality looks really good, so I really encourage you guys to go ahead and check it out if you've been sitting on the fence and considering getting a speed booster for yourself. So definitely go check it out if that's something you've been considering. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching. Later.